Does anybody remember Balloony? Wonder if he's still like afloat. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. That tastes a little bit like shit. I thought it was gonna taste nice on that. I've committed to the vibes of this video. The vibe is getting ready to go out, we're preying. Yeah, so I did a poll on my Instagram and it was either my next video was either like everyday makeup or night out makeup. So I'm gonna do the night out makeup today. Ready for when we can go out. 𝒩𝓗𝓈𝓉𝓒𝓉 base. You know, night out, we need that makeup to stay. One time when I was out, right? Like, this is not me being like, oh my god, I'm so short, but I'm guessing that the person that did it to me was way taller than me. They literally like spilled their drink and it went directly into my eyeball. Like, my eye was level with their hand and the drink was in my eye and my eye makeup was gone. You know, we were tipsy, so I didn't get angry about it. I was more just like, I can't see what's going on. And I was like trying to tell people, like, no, look, I cannot actually see out of this eye.
I was blind. I was so blind.
It was an experience. I really miss going out. Ew, that sound.
That's what good pussy sounds like.
Don't judge me for being a bijou. The drinks are cheap. But I was in so late. I don't know, I'd been somewhere else and then I went into there to go to the toilet and then literally the cleaners were out and it was just me and the cleaners. And then this man like ran up to my face and was like, whoa. And I was just like, let me get to the toilet, please. I already had to get past people with brooms and that. Then there was the time when me and my work girls did karaoke and this woman filmed it for it and was literally acting as if it was like an actual film. She was like down on her knees, like up angles, she was moving around, she was filming it all, she was getting all the angles. And she was really sad to see we leave when we went to the next club. She was like, oh my god, have a great night, gave me a hug, and I was just like, oh. She would have been old enough to be my mother, but it's alright. You know, she should be out having a good time. Bless her. She was really like filming a music video. I'm gonna go for something a bit smoky and then like a shimmer. We're gonna go with the 𝒩𝓗𝓈𝓉𝓒𝓉 Worldy palette. I'm gonna take Manchester. So I'm gonna put this in the outer corner and bring it along to the middle. Bringing it a little bit further along. Like that. That's quite a cute shape, do we agree? So you agree?
You think you're really pretty.
One of my friends still hasn't seen Mean Girls and it's actually just a crime against humanity, really. Some elements really haven't aged well, but just the actual iconicness of the film and like the clothes. And like, I want it to be Regina George. Every single person in that film is the villain. It's not just Regina. In this house we stand Regina and her mother. I'm gonna take luggage. Just use a big fluffy brush just to soften that a bit. I'm gonna bring it like right up into underneath my eyebrow because I like to have my eyeshadow meet where my nose contour meets, so it looks even like, and it looks more cohesive, do you know what I mean? Yeah, and also then when I put the shimmer on, it won't like just be shimmer and then base, there'll be something that blends it. Does that make sense? Yeah, if anybody has any really funny night out stories, please comment them down below. Remember once I was out and the fire alarm came on and everybody thought it was a remix? It wasn't a remix. I might just literally use my finger. Do I want to use destination? Destination unknown. Or do I want to use global? Ooh, I might go destination, you know. Pigmented. And I'm just gonna place that like where I haven't put any product. I should go famous. When will I be famous? Yeah, we'll put a little bit of Peaches famous. I'm just gonna use my finger again. Ooh. My hair is trapped inside the 𝒩𝓗𝓈𝓉𝓒𝓉. Juvia's got a black in it. Yeah. Juves. I'm gonna place it like a liner. I put a bit of 𝒩𝓗𝓈𝓉𝓒𝓉. I'm gonna run a bit of liner just really close to the lash line, just into the inner corner. It looks really badly blended on camera. Pamela, clean that up. We'll smoke it under. Can we just really quickly talk about the fact that Mamma Mia must have been the funnest film to make ever in the history of the world? Because like, not only is the film fun, you're in a beautiful country, you're singing ABBA all day long. That's probably the thing I'm most envious of in the whole world. Also, if you haven't seen it live, go and see it live. It's so fun. I just use the ordinary high adherence silicone primer. Can you blow my whistle, baby, whistle, baby? Why were we all singing that song as children? Ooh, oh, oh, yeah. I'm just gonna mix a slightly darker foundation in to my normal one because I've put a tiny bit of tan on, which you cannot actually see. You can't tell, it's just not really present. Mix it much better. Much better. I went to my TikTok today to see 𝒩𝑜𝓃𝓍𝒾𝓈𝓉𝓉e doing a rendition of our song I Love You Jesus, but this time it's I Love You Moses because of her fiance. So that was, you know, an experience. I feel like that's blended in really, really nice. I was scrolling through TikTok lives last night and there was some really bitchy people. Like, oh, I've cut myself somehow, I don't know what that is. There was some really nasty people on live and I was just thinking, how have you got the followers to be going live when you literally just shouting at them? As soon as I have a drink, I just tell everybody my life story and everything embarrassing ever that I've done. I kind of do that anyway though. Do that with bloody customers at work. I just don't seem to be able to keep things in my head. These are hurting my ears a little bit. But no, this is just the price that we pay for beauty. Right, I'm going to use my concealer now. Just using the L'Oreal Infallible. Waterproof mascara, it makes your eyelashes look longer. It's just a fact. Not a joke, just a fact. And also, if you cry on a night out, it's fine. It's not going anywhere. Put the foghorn. I started watching that Ginny and Georgia, and oh my god, it's really bad. I'm sorry, Ginny or Georgia or anybody. But I will say that Marcus is really, really good looking. So Marcus, the man who plays Marcus, if you are watching, I love the show. You were really good. It doesn't make sense, and I feel like everybody's too young. Like, I'm not saying that in real life teenagers of that age aren't like that, but every single program, they all seem really, really young, and they're always played by like really old people. And like if Euphoria was filmed in college, god, do you think what they'd be up to? I love Euphoria. I still watch them 2 little episodes though. My product top. We'll just use a brush because I need to set quickly before everybody starts moving around. I just had a scandal there, a scandalo. My phone flipped, took a photo, and then the video was gone, but then it just appeared again. Just cream contouring. I actually can't get over how nice my foundation looks for once. My skin always looks dreadful and I'm not even going anywhere. But at least I know for when I go out that a tiny bit of tan and them 2 mixed together is like the perfect colour and looks really nice. Little stunner. Sorry, that was so unbelievably disgustingly cringy. Does anybody remember Balloony? Wonder if he's still like afloat, do you know what I mean? Like, or if he's like burst by now. I saw a tweet and it was like, I love how Jason Schwartz had like achievable goals. Like, he didn't want world domination, he only wanted to dominate the tri-state area. Things got in his way, didn't really have the best time, did he? 𝒩𝑜𝓃𝓉𝓉e, big fat liar. Ever since I found nosebleed fits on TikTok, I've been keeping an eye out for Selena like all the time. Everybody should be doing that. It's like the standard. I like to use a smaller brush to bronze, so it's like quite concentrated first, and then if I feel like I'm still not bronzed enough, I'll go over with a big brush on like my whole face. So I gotta back on, get some nice selfies after this. Be hell on. I'm gonna do my favorite blush. It's not actually a blush, but you know, we're allowed to be creative with makeup. We're allowed to be creative when you can find your blush brush. Oh my god, brush brie, brush brew. I'm gonna get my possible future children to watch Bear in the Big Blue House as well, even though it'll be like ancient by then. Just like to use Sunset out of the Worldly palette. Wait, that's so pretty. Like, Paige, make that a blush, please. Obviously do your eyebrows however you want, brush them up, soap brows. I do soap brows for like makeup looks for my makeup account. A little bit of Manchester. I can't do a Mancunian accent. I can't really do any accents. It's not my strong suit. Like if I ever wanted to be in a film, they're not gonna hire me, are they? With my like very faint Geordie accent. They're gonna just be like, you just sound like an idiot. We need somebody with a fun accent. You need to put an accent on, and I just wouldn't be able to do that. Maybe I'll go like accent coaching, just in case. Join it. I'm gonna put a little bit of black in the waterline. And just like filled it in. Stop filming. It keeps like stopping and starting. Well, I want a word with you.
I want to speak to your manager. Now!
The launch of the all-new 𝒩𝑜𝓃𝓍𝒾𝓈𝓉𝓉e, the Take Anywhere reading solution. 𝒩𝑜𝓃𝓍𝒾𝓈𝓉𝓉e is amazing.
I still really fancy him out of Horrible Histories. Was it Matthew? When he's dictating. Oh, stop it. Barely touched down, huh? It just doesn't taste as nice as I wanted it to. And it was gonna be like a vibe, but it's just not been a vibe, has it? Put some highlighter on quickly. I like to just put it on my nose with my finger so I can really concentrate it on the tip and then the bridge, and then I'll just use a brush for the rest of my face. Okay, lashes. So I have these ones. It may expose the fact I'm just in shorts, but how cute is this buddy bond? Just off Amazon, so I'm not too sure what like they actually are. They came in like a pack of 5 different ones. Just let them sit in there. Get tacky lips. I'm thinking my new favourite thing is the Peaches lip liner that I got in my testing video in Hotline. So I like to put it on a bit messily and overlining obviously, and then I like blend it out. Makes our lips look bigger while still adding a bit of colour. Like it makes them so much bigger. It's not that bad, to be fair. What do I do? Absolutely stunningly beautiful buttergloss in Madeline. We'll do her like the perfect colour. We've had the storage scandal again, so I'm hoping that this does not go up. I have stuck my lashes on. I might put, because this is definitely going to be, this is just party vibes, the GRWM lip topper. This isn't skinny dip. Like, oh, that little frosted lip moment. So that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that it kind of, I hope it got you like excited for life going back to normal. It was kind of like getting ready for something. That was kind of the vibe I was going for, and maybe you want to try this look. As for the wine, I think that if I'd already had a drink, I could like easily drink it, but I don't know if I'd want to start with it. But cheers anyway. But yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos. I've got a testing video and a like colourful cut crease tutorial. I've got a haul coming this weekend. Stay tuned for that. I have a vlog thing as well in the works. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.